Run GLM 4.7 flash on CPU locally. Step-by-step tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can run GLM 4.7 flash latest model on your CPU using the ollama. So first, you need to download the model by running the command ollama pull GLM 4.7 flash latest. In my computer, it is already pulled or downloaded. That's why it is saying success. Next, you have to run ollama run GLM flash latest, and this will load the model into the memory. Model is loaded into the memory. Now we can write some message. It's a thinking model, so it is analyzing my input. Analyze the request. Goal: write a hello world program. Language Python. Tone: helpful, direct, beginner friendly. So determine the basic requirements. Python is known for its simplicity. The most standard way to print to the console in Python is using print method. The method inside the function should be hello world. So just hello world. So draft the code Python print hello world. Consider variation context optional but helpful. There is a specific output format requested. No, I should explain how to run it. Yes, that adds value to the beginner. Should I explain how to run it? Yes, that adds value for a beginner, and that's why it is writing. How to run it? Open the Python environment IDLE, VS Code, etc. Paste the code above, press enter. You should see the output. So here is the simplest way to write hello world program in Python. Python print hello world. How to run it? So it's completed the program. So it's very easy to run GLM flash model on ollama running on CPU. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.